Stuck choosing between Sublime Text, Atom, and Vscode? Let's break down which code editor reigns supreme. First up, Sublime Text. Notice its lightning-fast speed and uncluttered interface. It's prized for performance and distraction-free coding. Next, Atom. This editor boasts extreme customizability thanks to its open-source nature. Then there's Visual Studio Code, or Vscode. Look at the richness of its features, from built-in Git support to powerful debugging tools. Let's dive into extensions. Sublime Text has package control, Atom has its built-in package manager, and Vscode has a vast marketplace. Vscode boasts the largest selection. Performance is crucial. Sublime Text excels in speed. Vscode balances performance with rich features. Atom, while customizable, can sometimes lag. Vscode shines with its intelligent code completion, also known as IntelliSense, making coding faster and more accurate. So, who wins? Sublime Text for speed, Atom for customization, and Vscode for features. The best choice depends on your specific needs.